Hello and welcome to the video. Today we'll be going over how to replace the idler pulleys on the m113k with the VRPspeed 5-piece idler pulley set. In fact, I'm proud to announce that we are now a VRPspeed affiliate, which means you can save 10% off your next purchase or this 5-piece idler pulley set by using my code MrFalterbach55 when you're checking out. And I can't recommend this idler pulley set enough because my engine runs a whole lot smoother with it on. Now, let's get on to the video. Before we get into the video, if you haven't already, please follow my Instagram at MrFalterbach. I post there frequently. I also run polls to see what everyone thinks about future mods, future ideas, future videos, etc. Not to mention, I have a ton of sneak peeks on what's to come with the build. Again, that's at MrFalterbach. Now back to the video. I'm going to give you a good reason as to why you should buy the VRP 5-piece idler pulley set. Now, if you notice on your screen, my serpentine belt and my idler pulley are not on my car. It actually fell off on my way home from work. Fortunately for me, I was coming back from work, which is great because if I was going to work, I would have showed up late and that wouldn't have been great. Now, what I guess had happened was I was taking one of the more windier roads back home from work with more scenic views and whatnot. And because of that, I guess I went over a bump too hard and that caused some sort of friction or vibration, which led to the ring falling off that's holding the pulley in place, and that led to the pulley falling off and the belt falling off and my ESP light coming on and all these lights coming up on my dash and my car not getting into boost whatsoever and not getting past 2000 RPM. And I guess over time these pulleys do wear out. I mean, my engine at that point had close to 100,000 miles on it, so I'm not really surprised that one of the rings fell off, but I know with the new VRPspeed 5-piece idler pulley set, it'll last a whole lot longer given that the materials that these pulleys are made out of. Now that you understand what had happened and what led to this, let's get on to replacing the idler pulleys. The first thing we did was we released the tension on the other belt. This belt drives the alternator, water pump, and a couple other stuff I can't really remember off the top of my head. Now, with that belt released, we were able to start working on getting all the other pulleys out. It's that one you just got.
No, why is it bigger? It's not bigger, no, it's the same. Okay.
One from the one.
That is plastic to me.
This is plastic?
Yeah.
Wow. So that is a quality improvement. After figuring out which idler pulley goes where, which wasn't difficult at all, we went ahead and grabbed the old hardware, sandwiched everything together, and went to installing it onto the engine. After installing the idler pulleys, we went ahead and grabbed a torque wrench and torqued these guys down to 25 Newton meters of torque. When you're doing any of the idler pulleys on the m113k, that's the torque that you should be torquing your idler pulleys for the m113k.
If it's not gonna work.
Okay. That's the right side.
see that. Let it go slowly. Let it go. It's hot. So here, this is how you do it. So you can put the pin there.
What is it?
You're lucky.
What is it? Is it?
It's open.
It's right threaded or left?
It's right.
Right threaded. Okay. Okay. So that's the tool, and then the bolt.
It's T50
Mm-hmm.
H, which is with a.
The reason why we're putting a washer with this idler pulley is because we didn't want to damage the bearing that is there. So we put a washer there just to be safe.
So, pass this stuff. No, I'm not right here. Okay, put it in. All the way in. Okay. Hope it's not gonna fall off. What's this?
I guess the car has found God.
Gotta remove the pen.
Maybe we should bring this down over here, so when we release the tension, it doesn't fly.
No, don't. Just go a little. Sabe. Go a little bit. Okay, that's it. Let it go. Let it go. Hila. This thing. I think it is done. I hope the belt is not, because that pulley is small. Yeah.
Huh?
That looks good. I don't like that pulley, it's too big, but...
And that's it for this video. If you guys found this video useful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do end up purchasing the 5-piece idler pulley set from VRPspeed's website, go ahead and use my coupon code MrFalterbach55 for 10% off. You can use it on the 5-piece idler pulley set, 3-piece idler pulley set, or anything off of their website. Save yourself some money. Use my code MrFalterbach55. And if you guys do end up using my code, go ahead and tag me on Instagram at Mr. so I can go ahead and share that to my story. I really can't thank you guys for all the support that you guys leave in the videos. I really appreciate it. Our next video is going to be something kind of a little bit different. We're going to be doing some miscellaneous stuff to the SL. And then after that, we're going to be cleaning up the shop. And then from there, I have a huge surprise that I think you are all going to love. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.